Ever pondered the significance of network security audits? Well, in a world intertwined with digital networks, it's akin to a regular health checkup for your systems. Without it, you're exposing your network to potential threats and vulnerabilities that could compromise your data. So how exactly does one conduct a network security audit? It's not as complex as it might seem, especially when broken down into manageable steps. Step 1. Identify what needs protection. This involves mapping out your entire network, listing all devices, systems, and software. This inventory becomes the foundation upon which you build your security audit. Step 2. Perform a vulnerability assessment. This involves scanning your network for known vulnerabilities. Think of it as looking for chinks in your digital armor. The goal here is to identify weak spots before a potential attacker does. Step 3. Conduct a penetration test. This is a simulated attack on your network to evaluate its security. It's like a fire drill for your systems, testing how well they can withstand an attack and revealing areas for improvement. Step 4. Analyze the results. This is where you take a close look at the data from your vulnerability assessment and penetration test. The aim is to understand the potential risks and threats to your network. Step 5. Implement security updates and fixes. This step involves patching up the vulnerabilities found during the audit. It's an ongoing process that requires regular reviews and updates. Step 6. Document everything. Keep a detailed record of what you found and what actions you took. This becomes a valuable resource for future audits and can help you track your progress over time. So, to recap, conducting a network security audit involves 6 key steps. Start by identifying what needs protection, then perform a vulnerability assessment followed by a penetration test. Analyze the results to understand your network security status, implement necessary security updates, and document everything for future reference. Remember, a network security audit is not a one-time event but an ongoing process. It requires regular checkups to ensure that your network is healthy, secure, and ready to fend off any potential threats. In the digital world where data is the new gold, network security audits are not just important, they are essential. So, take the time to conduct an audit and protect your network. It's a small investment that could save you from a major data disaster.